We will discuss the effect of depth on acceleration due to gravity. In the previous class, we find the effect of height, that is, acceleration due to gravity decreases with respect to height in respect of the earth surface. So, for effect of depth in the diagram, C is the center of the earth, R is the radius of the earth and M is the mass of the earth. When the object at the earth's surface, let its acceleration due to gravity is small g. When the object moves downward towards the earth center through distance x, that is at point B, let acceleration due to gravity is g dash. So, we are going to find a relation for g dash in terms of g, depth and radius of the earth. So, already we know that the acceleration due to gravity at point A, that is on the earth's surface, is given by formula small g is equal to capital G me by re square. Let this is equation number 1. As we know that the earth density is not uniform from core to crust region, it is in decreasing order from core to crust region. So, here we have taken rho as the average density of the earth. So, density of the earth is given by me by ve, that is the mass of the earth and volume of the earth. So, mass of the earth can be given by product of density and volume. What will be the volume of the earth? 4 by 3 pi re cube, assuming the earth is a sphere. So, now we will put the value of me in equation number 1. So, we have g is equal to capital G 4 by 3 pi re cube rho by re square. Very clearly you can say that this re square cancel out by this re cube, so only re will be in the numerator. Final expression for g is 4 by 3 pi capital G rho re, equation number 2. So, equation number 2 is modified formula in respect of equation 1 in terms of the density of the earth material. Now, using equation 2, we have the expression for acceleration due to gravity at depth x, because when the object at point B, its radius of the earth is only re by re minus x. It means only this blue region of the earth is responsible for acceleration due to gravity when the object reaches at point B. This pink shaded part is not playing any role in acceleration due to gravity when the object at point B. So, instead of re, we will take up the radius of earth only re minus x. Now, we have g dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi g rho re minus x. Let this is equation number 3. Now, we divide equation 3 with by equation 2. So, when you divide equation 3 by 2, we have g dash by g is equal to 4 by 3 pi g rho re minus x upon 4 by 3 pi g rho re. Now, very clearly you can say that again 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel, capital G cancel, rho cancel. Now, we have only g dash by g is equal to re minus x by re. It can be also written as 1 minus x by re. So, finally, you can say g dash is equal to g times of 1 minus x by re, equation number 4. So, by this equation we can find out what will be the acceleration due to gravity at depth x. Now, very clearly you can say that the g dash is less than g, because the value of this term is always less than 1. So, we can conclude the value of g decreases with the depth. As we go down, the acceleration due to gravity decreases. One very important case, that is at the center of the earth, what will be the value of g? So, at the center of the earth, x is equal to g re. Reason, because when the object reaches at earth center, its traverse distance x will be equal to RE. So, in equation number 4, we will put x is equal to RE. So, we have G dash is equal to G 1 minus RE by RE, that is 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into G 0. So, you can say that at Earth's center the acceleration due to gravity is 0. It means what will be the weight of any object at the center of the Earth? W is equal to mg dash, but g dash we find it is 0. So, weight will be 0. It means at the Earth's center the object experience the weightlessness. So, in this way very clearly we can come to know how the value of g varies with depth.